I just got a package on the mail. I want to open it with you guys. I'll be getting packaged lately a lot, huh? So let's see what I got on the mail. And I believe it's going to be hard to open. Here. What? Okay, so this is what I got. Got more stickers. You know I don't use those in the car, so for $10 off next purchase. It's gonna be another one soon. Purchase, okay. Got 2 of these with the fuses. Perfecto. Now, this is what I'm looking for. Hold on. What? This is nice. So, I'm excited to do this. That's my Indiglo gauge. 10 colors gauges. Let's see. Nice, real nice and compact. Looks pretty cool. Everything's there that I need. Comes in with this to hold it back if I want to. Comes with a harness. Oh, this is pretty cool. I didn't know that. Comes with comes with this in case I want to put it like that inside my gauge, so it looks pretty cool also. And now it comes with a sending unit, and this is the problem that I'm having because I got this all the harness thrown there. I'm gonna have to figure it out how to splice it in or do something with it. So let me put that back. Put this back. Okay. You know what I'm going to do though? I'm going to go, what's this? See how this looks on the car. No way! This is pretty fucking cool. Yo, I love an Indiglo right now. This is, oh shit. To put a gauge like that, top of my dashboard, or whatever the main case may be. Okay, these people got my heart. Oh man. But you guys know that I did something for my car. Let me see something. And this is not going to work there because what I did already built in. So, once I can put this right here, built in like that. But let me show you. I like that idea. I'm going to get more gauges now. Because I like that idea. Do you know about this from 3DR printers? And this is the reason I wanted it, my gauge. Hey, I'm marking 200,000. And don't fit. Okay, I'm gonna have to do some trimming, but this is what my gauge is gonna be. Boom, right there. Another one here, another one here. I had to take all this apart, put that one in. I like the idea that I can put another gauge right here, another one over there, maybe here. But this is what I bought. So this is gonna go on just like that. I'll figure out how I'm gonna do this, but I might have to trim this a little bit and then put it there. Where's my gauges gonna go? Right here. Boom. And then boom. All like that. So I have something to do right now. I gotta go and get that done and get it over with. In the meantime, when I come back, I have to put this all together and make sure my gauge goes well the way I want it, so I can put that on. Alright, so let me go do my thing and I'll come back and see what's going on with this and get it done. Alright guys, so what I'm doing so far is taking my console apart right about now. There goes the console. I'm going to take my screwdriver here.
Next level. Next level.
Alright guys, hopefully that view is good for you guys. So I got my gauge in, I got the harnesses in. So basically I cannot wait to get my double deck in here, my double radio. So what I'm gonna do, if you see my harness right here, I'm pulling it out. I'm using this harness right here to run all this harness, so I don't mess up nowhere. I don't want to see it, you know, ugly. So I'm gonna run all that through here. It's gonna take me a while. Gotta go all the way up to the front, and I'll let you guys know how it went. All right, guys. So that's the wires right there. I already passed it. I got plenty of them, so I gotta tie it down. Just go straight down to here, to my harness. Clears the headers. And that's what you want. So once you have to do now is do the harness for the power and all that. And the last thing I'm gonna do is next time I get my car. Next time I do another car, I promise my engine bay is gonna look, my under the engine bay is gonna look better. But this is my brake line. This is from Wilwood. I did that so I can have better brake system on the CRX. These right here are my fuel lines, brake lines, ECU. This is for the sensor that I'm throwing right now. These right here, this is black, this is ground. I can grab it and tap it to, oh, this guy right here that's loose. Alright. Hey guys, so what I'm doing the harness for the wires for my gauge. Using strapping it all everything together. It'll be easy to run to the whole heart to the vehicle. Alright guys, I brought the camera, but I ran out of space on the ship. I got what I'm looking for from Pep Boys. Basically adapt like that. And I got a new sensor. So I'm going to put the camera down and put it right at an angle so you can see what I'm doing. Let's get it done, okay? Alright guys, I have a small leak. The coolant. Right down there, see the coolant? Right there. So, I have to fix that, but I'm letting the temperature go up. I'm watching my gauge over there to go up. See what it's supposed to go up. This was still going to work when I get the right cluster, but right now I got to follow that one. I'll let you know in a few. Alright guys, so far it's staying at 160. Let me see if I can do better. There you go. Right now it's staying about 160, 162. That's not bad. To be honest, I don't know what a K-swap temperature is. I don't know what the K-swap temperatures are. So at 162, 163, 165, I'm still waiting to see how much it climbs. Then I can set up the gauge. Okay, to pass that mark, and the gauge will start blinking and let me know that I'm overheating. But I had that leak that I gotta fix. So as soon as I'm done with this, I let the car cool down. I gotta go do some errands. I let the car cool down, then I come back around and I take that apart and just put some Teflon, put it back in, and we'll be done. I want to order the oil pressure switch, the other one. I want to order the voltage. That should be up for now. Unless I can put something crazy. Unless I can put something crazy here. But for now, then I gotta see if I take care of this later on. I want my double deck, I want my radio. If not, I make one. Put this right here. Alright, check it out. I'll turn it on. I don't know if it's supposed to turn off like that. But what I like the most is this. That's the one I like because it matches the S2000 colors. So hey guys, just finished driving the CRX. My camera was dead. I took it for a long drive. I went for lunch with a couple of my buddies, and worked great. No leaks. Temperature stays about 170 all the way through. Car runs perfect. Thank you. Love it. Now I'm gonna order the oil pressure switch. Put it on. So I had no with oil pressure. My other one I want to order is the voltage, and that's it on the gauges for now. And let's see what else. Well, I'm heading to the beach. It's hot. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you guys later.